Welcome you guys back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about moissanite. Do you even know what moissanite is? And jewelry. All ladies love jewelry. Yes, I need a necklace or some earrings or some rings. So in this video, I collaborate with a really great company that reached out to me called Read Your Heart. Yes, this company right here. They have amazing, beautiful, extravagant sterling silver, 14 karat gold, semi-precious stones, and moissanite jewelry. So if you guys are looking for that perfect gift to give to your grandma, your mom, your girlfriend, your fiance, your wife, then you're gonna have to check them out because it's breathtaking. So if you want luxury jewelry on a budget, then you're gonna have to check out Read Your Heart. The packaging, the fine detail, we're gonna do a review. The bag, you guys, are you kidding me? It looks like Tiffany's. The quality of the rope with the strap, I mean, even the font and the printout. The little cleaning cloth, if you're buying a diamond ring from somewhere, sometimes they don't even give you a cleaning cloth and put it in a bag with the logo on it. Everything is very thought out. They really know how to package it, very high end. A lot of great quality details. It talks about the stone and the quality of the stone. And it's not a blood diamond. Nobody had to like dig, you know, for this beautiful stone. Enough said, you guys. Let's get into the video. Let me show you the beautiful items that they sent me. I love when they know how to package it correctly with bubble. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so these are little baby stud earrings, and look at the little plastic bag. And look how gorgeous the box is. Very great high-end quality materials. This is a moissanite stud earrings that is solid sterling silver, 9.25. If you have allergies or anything like that, you can definitely wear this, but no problem. And those are beautiful. They're so sparkly. I can't even capture them on camera. Aren't those amazing, you guys? Read Your Heart, you did it with these. Wow. I could definitely wear these to the Grammys, a red carpet, or somewhere extravagant. Those are beautiful. So go ahead and get your mom a pair of these, you guys. The price is so affordable. Look at that. Like, and I want to give you guys my discount code right there. So, and you go on their website, they always have a discount, and you use my discount code on top of that, and you're just saving so much money on top of it. Quality box, packaging, and beautiful. It's actually a screw on back, and you do see the 9.25 on the backing of the earring as well, and it's shaped as a heart. If you guys can't really tell, it's a moissanite around it, and that is hard as an actual diamond, and a big moissanite in the center. I'm in love. Wow. Imagine receiving this from a guy. This would be my reaction. The great thing about this company, you guys, within 3 to 5 business days, they can replace the item or actually give you a return. I love that. All right, let's see the next item. So well packaged. It's in there good. Are you kidding me? What a beautiful engagement ring. What a beautiful engagement ring. So let's take her out of there. This is lovely rose gold. So whoever loves rose gold, they have it too, you guys. So again, this beautiful item is this one right here. Wonderful price, beautiful, beautiful extravagance. So this rose gold engagement ring has magnetite, really fine magnetite going around it. That is so adorable. Around the square rose quartz diamond ring. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Yes, dear, I will marry you. Ah, it's giving me chills in my body. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. Sorry for these nails I need to fill, y'all, but that is beautiful. There's close up on her. Beautiful. I'm glad I really got a good capture of it in the light to show you guys. And that natural light, look at it. It is so magically beautiful. Look at the sparkle of this ring. So in the package, I did receive these two items here, you guys. It's going to be like a member number. And it's just letting you know that they acknowledge that you have their jewelry. And it's just sending you some information all about how it's designed, how it's made, and what is it compared to an actual diamond ring. I love that. And they put in this really great certified like envelope, and they're welcoming you to being part of like the 12 months, a limited edition. Basically the 12 months like membership with no cost. It's basically a warranty to sum it all up. So ladies, if you're one of those people that always lose your jewelry, you might want to think about purchasing from this company, because who's going to give you a 12 months warranty on the wear and tear of the ring? That's why they want to back up their company. That's why I love purchasing and receiving items from companies like this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you this wonderful, affordable jewelry place to get great, custom, unique pieces that look just like diamonds. I love doing videos like this because I feel such like a princess wearing this beautiful, beautiful, extravagant wedding ring. I did. No, I'm playing. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. If you like content like this, I have so much more great things on my channel, so I will see you on the next video.